Good evening. I'm John Roberts, I live at 3227 Sandy Circle Lake Park. And I want to thank Mr. Tim Carroll for bringing up the issues pertaining to the analysis of the impediments. It's very serious business that come out of that impediment. And it's something that we need not take for granted. We all understand, some of you understand that complaints have been filed, this kind of thing. And more may be filed as well. But this addresses some of the issues that we do face, and we have to face it head on, and we got to deal with it directly. And it's something that I do believe that we can come to a compromise on. I believe that we can get somewhere, but until we face the fact that there is a real true problem in the city, and the numbers are staggering. That's what makes it so bad. The numbers are so staggering. If the numbers wasn't quite so staggering, you can say, well, it's just something, but the length of time that's been ignored and been shelved underneath the rug and been overlooked, and just thanks that we have someone to stand up, and I'm so glad that Mr. Tim Carroll brought mention of that, and it's something that we look forward to try to work together with everyone. We hope that the city council will consider making absolutely sure that our news media get a hold of this, that it can be advertised. Just the word analysis. Some people don't even understand those words. The word of impediment, they don't understand it. In the church Sunday, I held up the analysis of impediments and I asked the question, did anyone understand what these mean? Quite a few people didn't even understand. So if you can make it plainly understood so that everyone can get a good grasp of what is really meant by the impediments, that we can really get a good grasp of what is involved with it, then perhaps we can get somewhere and we can see things from a different point of view. We do know that there's real problems, and Mr. Mayor, I do believe that you is the person that can come forward now and can make a difference in this city. And this is all I want to come up and make a statement on. And thanks again, Mr. Carroll.
Thank you, Mr. Roberts.